Hello YouTube and Facebook. It's February 18th and this is our repair today. This is a trip to Squamish, which is an hour north of Vancouver, and we'll be doing the repair where a dog tried to dig its way under a door. You'll see the results shortly. Okay, so here we see where we got the repair piece for the carpet, the donor piece from a closet down the hall. And I will show you what the repaired piece looks like. Here is the finished repair. I have had to remove the door to do the repair, and you can see there is a difference in color simply because the carpet in the back of a closet has never been walked on, never seen the light of day. And here is a heavy walkway from the master bedroom into the ensuite. So that concludes this repair for today after I put the door on. Thank you for looking.